Now it's the Earth's shadow that's falling on the moon.
Bringing
We're seeing
outer
it at
space into
nighttime.
the
So what
classroom.
phases the moon
Educators
at
taking the
same
astronomy
time.
course at Summer Institute are learning fun, interactive ways to teach about the universe to their
Everybody on
students.
the night.
Make it something that students can actually experience and touch and do themselves, using a lot of models and examples for ways that they can understand the scale of space, the sizes of planets, how the moon phases occur, and that sort of thing.
The teachers are outside using a model to learn about solar eclipses.
So only occasionally do the two nodes sort of line up and intersect so that we experience an eclipse.
They also enjoyed learning fun ways to teach students about the phases of the moon.
That's full moon, right? Okay, it's nighttime on your nose because it's not facing the sun.
Teachers are excited to take what they are learning back to their classrooms.
And I don't teach science courses, but I love being outside and I love teaching children about conservation and the outdoors. So I try to tie the two together with like a real world project that they have to create on a computer.
More than 1,000 teachers and staff took part in Summer Institute. It ends today. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School
You
District.
can see the moon for a little bit, and now you can't see the moon anymore.